Study about Zener diode. Zener diode. It is a diode designed for limiting the voltage across its terminals in reverse bias. A Zener diode is a diode which is operated in reverse bias, and a Zener diode maintains a nearly constant voltage across its terminals over a specified range of Zener current, and the symbol for Zener diode is a Zener diode is a silicon PN junction device that is designed for operation in the reverse breakdown region. A Zener diode is a silicon PN junction diode, which is operated in reverse bias, and the breakdown voltage of a Zener diode is set by carefully controlling the doping level during manufacture. When a diode reaches reverse breakdown, its voltage remains almost constant even though the current changes drastically. And this is the key to Zener diode operation. This volt ampere characteristic is shown again in figure with the normal operating region for Zener diode shown as a shaded area. It is the VI characteristics of the Zener diode. Construction of Zener diode. The Zener diode operation depends on the heavy doping of its PN junction. P and N type materials are heavily doped in the Zener diode, and due to this high doping, the depletion region formed in the diode is very thin, less than 1 micrometer. Depletion region is very thin in the Zener diode. Now, even for a small reverse bias voltage of about 5 volt, allowing electrons to tunnel from the valence band of the p-type material to the conduction band of the n-type material. So if we apply a small voltage about 5 volt, then it will produce a very high electric field in the depletion region. Important features: Zener diode have a highly doped PN junction. Normal diode will also break down with a reverse voltage, but the voltage and sharpness of the knee are not as well defined as for a Zener diode. Now, junction. Zener diode can be operated in breakdown region. In the forward bias direction, the Zener diode behaves like an ordinary silicon diode. If we connect the Zener diode in forward bias, then it will operate like an ordinary silicon diode. Breakdown characteristics. Figure shows the reverse portion of a Zener diode's characteristic curve. As the reverse voltage VR is increased, the reverse current IR remains extremely small up to the knee of the curve. It is clear in the diagram that as the reverse voltage increases, then reverse current remains very small, And the reverse current is also called the Zener current, IZ. And Zener resistance, also called Zener impedance, begins to decrease as reverse current increases rapidly. Zener breakdown. Zener and avalanche effect are responsible for such a dramatic increase in the value of current at the breakdown voltage. If the impurity concentration is very high, then the width of the depletion region is very less. Less width of the depletion region will cause high intensity of electric field to develop in the depletion region at low voltages. Now, if the depletion region is very small, then if we apply a very small voltage across the junction, then it will develop a very high electric field. For example, let us say the width of the depletion region is 200 angstrom, very small. If a reverse bias voltage of just 4 volt is applied to the diode, the electric field intensity in the depletion region will be 2 into 10 to the power 8 volt per meter. This electric field is sufficient to rupture the bonds and separate the valence electrons from their respective nuclei. Large number of electrons gets separated from their atoms, resulting in sudden increase in the value of reverse current. Under this high electric field, the valence bonds breaks and valence electron becomes free from their atoms, and this will result in sudden increase in the value of the reverse current. This explanation was given by scientist C.E. Zener. Such diodes are called Zener diode, and Zener effect predominates in diodes whose breakdown voltage is below 6 volt. Now the applications of the Zener diode. First application, in a DC circuit, Zener diode can be used as a voltage regulator to regulate the voltage across small circuits. The function of the regulator is to provide constant output voltage. Zener diode will continue to regulate the voltage until the diode current falls below the minimum IZ value in the reverse breakdown region. We know that the voltage across the Zener diode remains constant. If a load resistance is connected parallel to the Zener diode, then the voltage across the load resistance will be equal to the voltage across the Zener diode, and this will remain constant. Zener diode can be used to make a waveform clipper. Next application is a Zener diode can be applied to a circuit with a resistor to act as a voltage shifter.